7:51 in the morning, Sunday, June the 16th. I'm at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park in Harlingen, Texas. It is a very warm, humid morning. I think the haze is already behind us. We don't see that much haze like we did weeks back. I'm gonna set my my DJI action camera there. That way I can see it and not forget it. Let's check out the Arroyo Colorado. Let's see how much rain the water level looks like next week with the upcoming rain. Let me rephrase that. With the rain forecasted for this coming week, I think Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Do hope we get a good 5 inches of rain. We do need that rain. Help us here a little bit. Sure hope it also makes it to the Falcon, to the dam. I wonder the poor turtle survived. That was in distress. Can't see anything with the glare with the sun. That'll be my thumbnail. Alright, so let's move on. I'm gonna make this a short video. See, that'll empty out into the Arroyo Colorado. That's the Arroyo Colorado that comes in, travels about like 90 miles, 80 something miles, and empties into the Gulf of Mexico. So let me cut the video. It's gonna be a real short one.